online procedure for registration of candidate for admission in Maritime Training Institute and issuance of INDoS number to aspiring seafarers. Step 1. The candidate shall go to DGS website www.dchipping.gov.in. Step 2. Click on tab Maritime Training and in the drop-down list click on Admission in Maritime Training Institute. Step 3. Read instructions to submit application and click on the application button to register as a candidate for admission in Maritime Training Institute. Step 4. Fill up the form. First, the system will prompt you to enter your personal details. All the fields with asterisk mark are mandatory. Second, please ensure that all the entries are correct and as mentioned in passport. Third, the candidate shall select the course he or she desires to undertake from the drop-down of the DGS approved courses under the head course name. Only one course is required to be selected even if you wish to undertake multiple courses. Step 5, click on Submit button after entering the details. Step 6, a reference number will be generated after successful submission of all the details. Candidate is advised to note the reference number for future correspondence.